Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the latest smartwatch from ITEL, the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. So the model name for this wearable is the ISWO20 smartwatch. Okay, so on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. So we'll try to pair it with its iPulse application. So we have here our Android smartphone, and we will try to download the app and pair it with the smartwatch. Again, if you have the smartwatch and if you are planning to pair it with your wearable, or if you are planning to pair it with the iPulse app, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and download the app for the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. So we have here the QR code for the app, and I think it's also available here in the smartwatch. So let's check it out. Usually it is available in the settings. Okay, if not available here on the main menu. So we have the phone, the system here. It's not about, and we have here the app download. So we have here the QR code for the support app. Okay, anyway, we already know the app for the smartwatch. Let's just search it on the Google Play Store. Okay, so just type iPulse. So we have here the iPulse app. Just search for it, and we have here the support app. So this is the support app for the smartwatch. Okay, tap on install, and let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install it in our smartphone. Okay, it's now completed. It's already installed. Let's open the application. Okay, let's just tap on welcome. Then privacy policy, just agree to it. Then just skip on some of the instructions or some of the notes. Skip. Then tap on got it. Okay, but if you want to read some of the information there, you can also read and set the profile. So background running of app. So this is just a demo, so we'll just cancel it. Okay, then we have here a permission. Just allow it. If you want to record your data, you can register and set your profile. Okay, but in our case, we'll just test it if it works with our Android smartphone. So we'll skip some of the options for the wearable. Then tap on this device. Tap on add. Okay, so please log in to your account for personalized workout and health services. Okay, I have read. We will use our email. Okay, and we will get our verification code. Okay, so we have successfully generated our verification code. So we are logging out to the app. So let's accept or approve some of the permissions here. So while using the app, we have another one here. Nearby devices for the iPulse, allow. Then it's now looking for our smartwatch, and as you can see here, it's already here, the ITEL ISWO20. Okay, so let's check. So this is our smartwatch. Select it. Okay, it will try to connect with the ITEL O20. So let's wait for it to complete its pairing. Confirm the binding. Okay. Okay, then we'll just cancel this one. And seems like we are already connected. As you can see here, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. So let's try. So we have here another permission. So we will allow access to contacts. This is for you if you want to activate the Bluetooth call. If you don't like to use the Bluetooth call, you can just deny the permission for the contacts and Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, for the Bluetooth call. So as you can see here, we are connected. Okay, so let's see. Search wearable. Okay, we are connected. Let's have the basic setup. Let's go for the push notifications. Let's enable some of the apps here. The feature needs to access this notification. Turn it on. Okay, activate the iPulse application. Allow the permission. Again, this is the notification access. And now that it is activated, go back. Then activate some of the apps that you are going to use. Messenger. Okay, everything is set. Go back. Call notifications. Just activate it if you want to enable call notifications. Just allow the permissions. Okay, go back. What else do we have here? Other settings. Raise to wake, it is activated. Time format, let's set it to 12-hour format time. Okay, so everything is okay here. Everything is set. You can also set the quick SMS quick reply if you want. My cards, and I think that's it. Okay, so we are now paired with the ITEL O20 smartwatch. Very easy to follow, or very easy to set up with the iPulse application. And based on our experience with the O23, seems like the app is very stable so far. No issues when it comes to connectivity. Okay, doesn't disconnect. The pairing is easy. Again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing of the O20, the Fit O20 with the iPulse application, just drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe.